Amigos de Clark. As you know, every year they have been organizing an event where the swimmers are involved, and the event is usually taking place on the bank of River Maldavi. These swimmers from all over Goa are participating, and they will be crossing the river. This is an annual event which has been conducted by this Amigos de Clark. The message we want to give to the public also. First of all, I should appreciate that the parents for encouraging their children to take part in this. Swimming is one of the very active sports, and it keeps you very healthy. Swimmers are required for this country. Swimmers are also required for the Goa. You see at the international level, there are so many swimming events are taking place, but we are not able to make the mark. But this club is encouraging the youngsters to come up and do the swimming in the river. They have been doing also in the villages, in the lakes. Now every year they are doing it in Mandavi also. I wish them all the best, and I also appeal the government should take up such activities. You know, there is a boat race in Kerala. There are also Sanjao festival in Goa. So these are the activities involved in water sports. So they should encourage the workers, and the government should also take an initiative. So I wish everybody, the parents, the organizer, all the best for this event. Thank you.
Guide their movements to be smooth and their body to be strong. Give them peace as they go through their day. Grant them wisdom to make good choices. Let them remember the privilege that they have to enjoy the water, air and world you made. And help them make the best use of this amazing gift of the body. We make this prayer to God. Amen.
It was really a thrilling experience. The children are making they are trying to do their best, and they did it.
I think crossing the river was much more difficult because of the tide, and then my son has come for the first time, so I'm really proud of him.
Okay. How is organizing it?
I think it's good.
It is very nice experience. Thank you for everyone, and it's good.
How was the river?
It's very scary.
How is your daughter performed today?
Very good, very nice. She's learning in 1 year back. She's doing well. I'm very happy. I proud my daughter. Thank you.
daughter is Srija Naik. It's a great event organized by Mingo Siddhi Clark, and she's trained by Sir Inacio at Fatoda. She's studying in Perpetual Safar Convent. My aim is to give her a chance to go for 5 kilometers, crossing different rivers. It's a great pleasure, and the parents supporting their child. It's a good event. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyal Mishra. I am 8 years old. Under the training of my coach Sir Inacio, I had learned to swim. And I am very happy that I complete the river crossing. Hello everyone, my name is Priyal Mishra. I am 8 years old. Under the training of my coach Sir Inacio, I had learned to swim. And I am very happy that I completed the river crossing.
Hello everyone, my name is Ifra Beg. It was really lovely to cross the Mandovi river, and it has always been my wish to cross it once in my life, and I would always encourage all the other children to cross the Mandovi once in their lives. It's a really good experience. Hello everyone, my name is Kashish Beg. I'm from Fatima Convent High School, and it was a really wonderful experience to cross the Mandovi river. It's a very great, and it was one of my bucket list, and yes, I made it come true.
बरे झाले.
किती केले तुम्ही आयज उदकान स्विम केले?
हय.
कितले केले?
खूप केले.
स्विम करपाक फोर्स घालचो पडटा?
हय.
होय. कितलो घालचो पडटा? कोणी शिकयलें तुका स्विमींग?
इना सर.
हिना सरान शिकयलें. आनी आतां स्विमर जातली तूं फुडें?
My name is Ritviya Namdev Naik. I'm from Seralium Sukawad in Margao. I study in Manovikas English Medium School.
So how was the swimming today?
Nice. I loved it.
And deep water?
No, not that deep.
And you swam?
Hi, my name is Rija Shailesh. I study in Perpetual Circle Convent High School, Navadip. It was a good experience. It was my dream to cross the Mandovi river.
So how did you get trained?
I got trained by Sir Inacio. He trained me very well. My name is Eldridge Bello, and I'm from the school Lolas.
So tell us, how was the swimming today?
The swimming was good.
Okay. Did you get frightened?
No.
No. So you are ready to swim.
Yeah.
So how long you got training of for this?
1 month.
1 month training, and you are okay. What are the tricks they teach you when you learn swimming?
Like breaststroke,
Okay.
freestyle, backstroke,
Okay.
and fly.
So now you can swim.
I'm from King's School. My age is 9 years old. It was very wonderful to cross Mandovi River, and my coaches Sir Damodar and Sir Ignacio.
Did you get frightened in the deep river here? So you are okay with swimming. So what is the first thing you learn about swimming when you learn swimming? Freestyle. So now if somebody is in trouble, you can help them, no? Good.
My name is Ritvi Pai. I study in Fatima Convent High School in 6th standard. My sir helped me in doing trainings very much. The first thing which we learned was with the kickboard. I thought this will be very tiring and all, but it was not. But the water was very salty, so that's why it was hard, and the water was pushing us back.
Okay. So how was the training basically like?
It was good. The sir trained us very good.
My name is Arvi Yogesh Goikar from Patoda, Vivada. I study in Mahila Nutan English High School in standard 6. So when we went in the river Mandovi, it was a little difficult because the water was very salty and we couldn't see anything in the water, and the ground was very furry. We thought something was down there.
Okay. So how was your experience experience like?
Experience was good, but the water was only salted.
Did you manage to swim?
Yeah, I managed. My name is Saish Kotarkar from Katsaulen. I study in St. Thomas High School. My father's name is Sainath Kotarkar. I was very scared when I came to see the water. But when I went into it, I thought that I can do it. So never stop. Don't think. Just do it. My name is Luke. When I first entered the water, I could touch the end, the deep depth of the water. When I swam, the current was pushing me backwards and different directions. It took a long time to do, but don't worry, a lifeguard was there to help me.
So you're happy?
Hello, my name is Venus Vivis Pauska. I study Mahila and Women English High School. I love this experience. Thank you to Venus.
My name is Disha. I'm from the King's School, RCC Club. It was wonderful crossing the Mandovi.
Basically, how was your training and where did you learn this?
I learned it in the Fatada.
Okay. And who was the trainers for you?
It was Nasser, Namadar sir.
It's both an honor and pleasure to be here today at this inspiring event organized by Amigos de Clark under the leadership of Coach Inacio Raposo and Mr. Francis Clark, Treasurer of the Goa Swimming Association. Today's river crossing swimming competition across the beautiful Mandovi River stands as a shining example of courage, sportsmanship and community spirit. I congratulate the organizers for their meticulous planning and seamless execution of this event. A special word of appreciation goes to all the 17 participants who took on this challenge. Each of you demonstrated not only physical endurance but also tremendous willpower. It is especially heart-training to note that the youngest participant was just 5 years old, a true symbol of bright future that lies ahead of the sports of swimming Goa. Events like this do more than promote fitness. They foster unity, encourage discipline, and build confidence in our youth. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to every swimmer, volunteer, and supporter who contributed to making today such a great success. Let us continue to support and celebrate such initiatives which bring our communities together and inspire excellence. Thank you, and may this be one of many more such achievements.